And then he's blind.
Blonde or blind?
Blind.
Well, that works too.
Column A, column B, you know.
Column A, column B.
So anyways, we're outside Back Street again, only it's much colder than it was back in mid-May.
It's a 10-bit nibbly whore!
That too.
And it's wet. Really wet.
So,
like
we're on our way to the next stop after we pick up a friend. But in the meantime, it's time for another burp video.
Yay!
Only this time, we have one that could potentially outdo me.
I don't know about that. Not right at the moment.
We can try. Oh!
Like a horker.
Did you just... Ah! God damn it!
Hold on. It got stuck.
It's still going! Wow, that was all
Here we go.
It got stuck again! Oh no! Woo! Holy shit!
I'm all dry.
That's not... I don't like dry fuck.
Lubrication.
Oh, wait! Aha! My contribution!
She did that last time too.
I would not want to be your phone right now.
One more before we go to pick up Mary.
And maybe she'll have one or two.
Okay, that's a warm-up.
Photobomb! You just photobombed me, you fucking faggot! What the hell?
He did it well, though.
That died.
I can do better.
Well, yeah.
So can I.
Okay, that was the second part of the first one.
Anyway, Mary texted me, so you got any more?
I'm good now.
Is that a cop? No. Nah, the headlights weren't right, so we're good.
Oh, that was sexy.